Okay students, in this lecture I am going to solve exercise 9.3. This is the part of chapter 9 about algebraic expressions. Now first question of this exercise is carry out the multiplication of the expressions in each of the following pairs. So we have to perform the multiplication. Okay, means we have to find the product of given pairs. So first part is 4p comma q plus r. The product will be 4p multiplied by q plus r. Okay. Now outside the bracket we have monomial, inside the bracket we have binomial. So we have to multiply 4p by q, then plus 4p multiplied by r, and the final answer is 4pq plus 4pr. So this is the answer. Second part. Here I solve second part. The pair is AB comma A minus B. So the product will be AB multiplied by A minus B. Then AB is multiplied by A. Okay. And put minus sign. AB is multiplied by B. What is the meaning of this? Listen carefully. ये जो AB वाली टर्म है मोनोमियल, इसको हम पहले A से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन इसको हम B से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड यूज द सेम साइन, दैट इज द माइनस साइन. Okay, so we can write the answer. Answer is a square b minus ab square. This is the answer of second part. There are total 5 parts. So here I am going to solve fourth part. The pair is a plus b comma 7a square b square. So the product will be a plus b and outside the bracket it is 7a square b square. Now it doesn't matter that the monomial is to the left of the bracket or to the right of the bracket. हमें 7a square b square को पहले a से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So we just write 7a square b square into a, put plus sign, then 7a square b square into b. Okay, now multiply these. So in the first bracket we get 7a cube b square plus from the second bracket we get 7a square b cube. This is the answer. Now fourth part. Sorry, next is the fifth part. Fifth part is, okay, it was third part. By mistake I have written fourth. It was third part. And now I am going to solve fifth part. It is PQ plus QR and plus RP comma 0. So we have to find the product of both these, PQ plus QR plus RP into 0. Now no need to multiply each term of this trinomial by 0. Just write the answer 0 because हम किसी भी वैल्यू को, एक्सप्रेशन को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो आंसर 0 मिलता है. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फिनिश्ड. आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व सेकंड क्वेश्चन. Second question is complete the table. So we have to find the product and put the values inside the empty boxes. So there are 5 parts. I start with first part. First expression is A and second is B plus C plus D. So this question is similar to first question. यहाँ पर हमें प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करना है स्टूडेंट्स, तो आप रफ में कर सकते हैं इसको सॉल्व. रफ वर्क मीन्स ए को बी प्लस सी प्लस डी के साथ जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आंसर मिलेगा ए बी प्लस ए सी प्लस ए डी. मीन्स ए को इस ट्राइनोमियल से मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो जितनी भी टर्म्स हैं उन सभी को ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व थर्ड पार्ट. ओके, थर्ड पार्ट इज P. First expression P. Second expression is 6p square minus 7p plus 5. So if you multiply p with this bracket, means first we will multiply p by 6p square, we get 6p cube. Then p is multiplied by minus 7p, we get minus 7p square, and finally p is multiplied by 5, so it is plus 5p. So the answer is 6p cube minus 7p square plus 5p. I hope you are getting. Fifth part. First expression is a plus b plus c, and second expression is abc. Okay, so first we multiply this a by abc, we have a square bc, then multiply this b, okay, a by this, then also b by this, that is abc, we get a b square c, and finally multiply c with this also, we get a b c square. So it's very simple. Okay, question number 2 is finished. Now I solve question number 3. Third question is find the product. So product means students हमें यहाँ पर multiply करना है, but the question is different and very interesting. First part is a square multiply by 2a and power 22, then multiply by 4a power 28. Okay, this is not 28, it is 26. Okay, 4a power 26, and this 26 is the exponent of a only, means ये जो exponent है ये सिर्फ a पर apply होगा. Okay, now the product is, first we multiply the constants 2 into 4, then multiply the variables. So we just have to add all these exponents because the base is same. तो base यहाँ पर a है और इसके सारे exponents को हम add करेंगे. The answer will be 2 for the 8 and a power. So we have to add all these values. 2 plus 22 is 24 and 24 plus 20 is 50. Okay students, this is the answer, 8 into a power 50. There are total 4 parts. I am going to solve third part. Now we have to multiply minus 10 upon 3 pq cube, pq, it is pq cube, okay, not pq, and multiplied by 6 upon 5 p cube q. So by using the proper way, just multiply all the constants or fractions whatever and multiply the variables. So pq cube into p cube q. Now what we have to do is just multiply these. Okay, हम 6 को 3 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं 2 टाइम्स, और -10 को भी 5 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं -2 टाइम्स. You can see that it is -4 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator, and p, if we multiply p with p cube we get p power 4, similarly we get q power 4. Okay, this is the answer, -4 p power 4 into q power 4. Okay, and now part 4. Fourth part is x into x square into x cube into x power 4. So it's very easy because there is no constants or other terms, the variable is x only, the base is same, so just add all the exponents 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 in this way, and the answer will be 10. 1 plus 2 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10. So it is the answer, only x power 10. Question number 3 is also completed. Now Question number 4. Simplify 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find the value for x equal to 3 and x equal to half. So students, you have to simplify, then find the value. Now, how to solve this? Fourth A. Okay, I solve fourth A. We have to simplify. The given expression is 3x multiplied by 4x minus 5 प्लस 3. तो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 3x इंटू 4x क्या होगा? 12x स्क्वायर माइनस 3x इंटू 5 होता है 15x एंड प्लस 3. सो दिस इज द सिंप्लीफिकेशन. मीन्स इट इज 4x, it is 12x square minus 15x plus 3. Okay, so first part, for x equal to 3 we have to find its value. Means ये जो एक्सप्रेशन हमें मिला है 12x स्क्वायर माइनस 15x प्लस 3, इसकी वैल्यू में x इक्वल टू 0 पर फाइंड करनी है. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट फॉर x इक्वल टू 3, तो हमें क्या करना है, इसमें x की जगह पर 3 पुट करना है. 12 इंटू 3 स्क्वायर माइनस 15 इंटू 3 प्लस 3. ओके, देन 12 3 स्क्वायर मीन्स 3 3 जा 9 माइनस 15 3 जा 45 प्लस 3. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ मल्टीप्लाई. अब सिंप्लीफाई करना में 12 9 जा 108 माइनस 45 प्लस 3. सो एट द पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज 108 प्लस 3 111 माइनस 45. नाउ व्हाट शुड बी द आंसर? It will be 55 per plus 11, so it is 66. So the answer is 66. And students, I am going to solve second part. Second means for x equal to 1 upon 2. So the value is, what was that expression? 12x square minus 15x plus 9. So 12x square minus 15x plus 9. Just check it again. Plus 3. Okay, it is not 9. 12x square minus 15x plus 3. And we have to simplify this as we have done in the last part. So हम 12 लिखेंगे स्टूडेंट्स. 1 upon 2 इसका होल स्क्वायर होता है 1 upon 4. मीन्स न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों का स्क्वायर करना है. It is 15 upon 2 plus 3. Okay, yes, it was 3. Now 12 is divisible by 4 3 times, so it is 3 minus 15 upon 2 plus 3. 3 plus 3 6 minus 15 upon 2, and after taking LCM we get 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 15 minus 3 upon 2. So the answer is minus 3 upon 2. Okay students, move to the next question. Question number, okay, there is B part also. So here I solve part B. Question for part B. Again simplify. A into a square plus a plus 1 and plus 5. We have to simplify this. So it's very simple. It is equal to a cube plus a square plus a plus 5. Now find the value of this expression at a equal to 0. Okay, for a equal to 0 we have 0 cube plus 0 square plus 0 plus 5. हमें यहाँ पर क्या करना है? कुछ भी नहीं, सिर्फ a की जगह पे 0 पुट करना है. सो इट इज 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5, and final answer is just 5. So students, it's very easy, I think. Now there are 3 parts, so I just solve second part for equal to 1. So we have 1 power 3 plus 1 power 2 plus 1 plus 5. Then it is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5. It is 3 plus 5 8. So the answer is 8. Last question. of this exercise, that is question number 5. Okay, the question is add. So first question में students हमें add करना है. So what we have to add is, I just write the given values, p into p minus q, comma q into q minus r, and r into r minus p. So just very simple. Now we have to add these. It means रिप्लेस कोमा बाय प्लस साइन. कोमा को हटा के हमें प्लस लगाना है और कुछ नहीं करना. ओके, नाउ इट्स वेरी सिंपल. सो पी को हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है ब्रैकेट से. इट बिकम्स पी स्क्वायर माइनस पी क्यू. देन फ्रॉम द सेकेंड ब्रैकेट वी गेट क्यू स्क्वायर माइनस क्यू आर. and from the third bracket we get r square minus rp. Now collect all those terms which look similar, not like terms. ठीक है, तो हमें यहाँ पर स्क्वायर वाली टर्म्स को एक साथ कलेक्ट करना है. मीन्स पी स्क्वायर प्लस क्यू स्क्वायर प्लस आर स्क्वायर. देन जो लीनियर टर्म्स है, मीन्स जिनके एक्सपोनेंट्स 1 है, उनको करना है. सो हियर वी राइट माइनस पी क्यू minus qr minus rp. Okay, in these three terms each variable is a linear, means the exponent of each variable is 1, but final the degree of the term is 2. Okay, so don't think about this. This is answer, p square plus q square plus r square minus pq minus qr minus rp. Part b, add. So just it is 2x and inside the bracket z minus x minus y and 2y inside the bracket z minus y minus x. Okay, so we have to add these, but first we have to multiply. So just write 2x minus z minus x minus y. एंड को रिप्लेस करना है प्लस ऑपरेटर से. देन 2y multiplied by z minus y minus x. Now multiply these, we get 2xz minus 2x square minus 2xy. Then from second bracket we get 2yz minus 2y square minus 2xy. Then collect those terms which look similar. So सबसे पहले हम स्क्वायर टर्म्स को साथ रखेंगे. ओके, इट इज माइनस 2x स्क्वायर minus 2y square, then plus, okay, we have to make some changes. Now we have to simplify it again. Okay, see where we have 2xy and 2xy, so we can add these. Then xz and yz. Okay, now we can write this as minus 2xy. सबसे पहले हम xy की टर्म लिखेंगे, उसके बाद में yz. अगर इसमें yz है तो yz को मेंशन करेंगे. देन xz. ओके, देन कम्स द टर्म्स विथ exponent 2. So we have to write minus 2x square and minus 2y square. This is the answer of part B. Okay students, I have to change something. थोड़ी सी यहाँ पे मिस्टेक हो गई है. देखो क्या करना है. ये जो 2xy और 2xy है, see inside the circle minus 2xy and minus 2xy. If we add both these we get minus 4xy. So it is minus 4xy. Okay, be careful when you add or subtract the terms of a polynomial. So students, this is the answer, it is minus 2xy. This is the answer of part B. I am going to solve part C. Question number 5, part C. It is 3L and inside the bracket we have L minus 4m plus 5n, L minus 4m plus 5n and plus, okay, it is about subtraction. Subtract this from this. So we have to write second expression as the minuend. मैंने आपको बहुत बार कुछ वीडियोस में बताया है कि फ्रॉम के बाद जो लिखा उसको हम पहले मेंशन करेंगे. सो वी जस्ट राइट 4l inside the bracket we have 10m, it is 10n minus 3m plus 2l minus 3l then l minus 4m plus 5n. Now simplify this. फर्स्ट टर्म से हमें मिलेगा 40 ln then minus 12 lm and plus 8 l square. From the second bracket we get plus 12 lm and minus, okay, it is l, okay, so it is, okay students, then up to 8 l square, then from second bracket we get minus 3 l square, okay, plus 12 lm and minus 15 ln. now अब हमें ये देखना है कि इसमें कौन से लाइक टर्म्स है. सो ln is there, okay, 40 ln minus 15 ln we get 25 ln or you can say 25 nl. then हमें देखना है कि lm कहाँ पे, देखो minus 12 lm and plus 12 lm they are cancelled and 8 l square minus 3 l square we get 5 l square. Students, this is answer of part C, okay, and it may be somewhat different from the book में ऐसा हो सकता है 5l square plus 25 ln, it doesn't matter, both are same, okay, don't bother about it. So the answer of part C of fifth question is 25 ln plus 5l square. Okay students, we have finished this exercise. In the next video I will solve exercise 9.4. practice for the questions which I didn't solve in this video. Okay, have a good day.